Hello viewers, welcome to AQC Group. Today we are going to see August 25, 2020 groundnut CCM wholesale procurement price for various states across India. To get the daily updates, subscribe our channel AQC Group. First we are going to see Andhra Pradesh groundnut wholesale procurement price. In Kurnool, minimum price 18 rupees 69 paise, maximum price 51 rupees 30 paise per kg. Next we are going to see August 25, 2020 Gujarat groundnut wholesale procurement price for various places. Porbandar groundnut seed minimum price 53 rupees 25 paise, maximum price 63 rupees 25 paise. Jamnagar groundnut seed minimum price 52 rupees 25 paise, maximum price 67 rupees 75 paise. Drole minimum price 41 rupees 75 paise, maximum price 49 rupees 75 paise per kg. Jamnagar minimum price 32 rupees 50 paise, maximum price 47 rupees 75 paise. Jasdan minimum price 32 rupees 50 paise, maximum price 50 rupees. Rajkot minimum price 42 rupees 75 paise, maximum price 52 rupees 5 paise per kg. Rajula maximum price 45. Doraji minimum price 33 rupees 80 paise, maximum price 45 rupees 55 paise. Gondal minimum price 41 rupees 5 paise, maximum price 62 rupees 5 paise per kg. Next we are going to see August 25, 2020 Karnataka groundnut wholesale procurement price for various places. To get the daily updates, subscribe our channel. Bagalakot minimum price 50 rupees 11 paise, maximum price 55. Chalakiri minimum price 36 rupees 19 paise, maximum price 58 rupees 49 paise. Hubli minimum price 38 rupees 89 paise, maximum price 39 rupees 9 paise per kg. Chitradurga minimum price 28 rupees 29 paise, maximum price 57 rupees 9 paise. Bellary minimum price 25 rupees 11 paise, maximum price 57 rupees 89 paise. Madhugiri minimum price 10 rupees 19 paise, maximum price 56 rupees 80 paise per kg. Raichur minimum price 25 rupees 89 paise, maximum price 43 rupees 69 paise. Lakshmeshwar minimum price 27 rupees 2 paise, maximum price 39 rupees 39 paise. Gadag minimum price 10 rupees 9 paise, maximum price 42 rupees 39 paise per kg. In Koppal minimum price 13 rupees 9 paise, maximum price 59 rupees 89 paise. Kadur minimum price 48 rupees 50 paise, maximum price 48 rupees 70 paise. Mysore minimum price 34 rupees 94 paise, maximum price 63 rupees 9 paise per kg. Next we are going to see August 25, 2020 Rajasthan groundnut wholesale procurement price for various places. To get the daily updates, subscribe our channel AQC Group. Chaksu minimum price 49 rupees 1 paise, maximum price 52 rupees 1 paise. Nimbahara minimum price 36 rupees 1 paise, maximum price 53 rupees 2 paise. Chittogarh minimum price 25, maximum price 35 rupees per kg. Next we are going to see August 25, 2020 Telangana groundnut wholesale procurement price for various places. To get the daily updates, subscribe our channel. Gadwal minimum price 20, maximum price 52 rupees 72 paise. Suryapeta maximum price 41 rupees 5 paise per kg. Next we are going to see August 25, 2020 Uttar Pradesh groundnut wholesale procurement price for various places. Eta minimum price 45, maximum price 47 rupees 50 paise. Mahoba minimum price 47 rupees 50 paise, maximum price 48 rupees 40 paise. Madhavganj minimum price 48 rupees 50 paise, maximum price 49 rupees 50 paise per kg. Jhansi minimum price 47 rupees 80 paise, maximum price 48 rupees 95 paise. Mainpuri minimum price 45, maximum price 48. Farrukhabad minimum price 42, maximum price 46 rupees per kg. Next we are going to see August 25, 2020 Gujarat CCM wholesale procurement price for various places. To get the daily updates, subscribe our channel AQC Group. Bhavnagar white minimum price 72 rupees 50 paise, maximum price 90 rupees 95 paise. Bhavnagar black maximum price 136 rupees 30 paise. Doraji white minimum price 63 rupees 5 paise, maximum price 77 rupees 55 paise per kg. Amreli black minimum price 86 rupees 10 paise, maximum price 151 rupees 80 paise. Amreli white minimum price 62, maximum price 100 rupees 5 paise. Rajkot black minimum price 102 rupees 50 paise, maximum price 145 rupees per kg. Rajkot white minimum price 72 rupees 50 paise, maximum price 85 rupees 55 paise. Savarkundla white minimum price 66 rupees 50 paise, maximum price 90 rupees. Savarkundla black minimum price 97, maximum price 140 rupees 50 paise per kg. Halwad white minimum price 75, maximum price 87 rupees 20 paise. Jastan black minimum price 105, maximum price 145. Jastan white minimum price 65, maximum price 88 rupees 50 paise per kg. Porbandar white maximum price 76 rupees 25 paise. Mahua white minimum price 80, maximum price 87 rupees 55 paise. Mahua black minimum price 99 rupees 50 paise, maximum price 129 rupees 10 paise per kg. Jamnagar minimum price 77 rupees 25 paise, maximum price 85 rupees 60 paise. Drol minimum price 67 rupees 25 paise, maximum price 80. Unja minimum price 75, maximum price 95 rupees per kg. Next we are going to see August 25, 2020 Karnataka CCM wholesale procurement price for various places. To get the daily updates, subscribe our channel AQC Group. Gulbarga white minimum price 45 rupees 25 paise, maximum price 75. Arsikeri black maximum price 80. Chitradurga black minimum price 30 rupees 9 paise, maximum price 76 rupees per kg. Nagamangala black maximum price 78. Pandavapura black maximum price 77. KR Pet black maximum price 77 rupees per kg. To get the daily market updates of various agricultural commodities, kindly subscribe our YouTube channel AQC Group. Do watch and share this video to the farming community. Thanks for watching.